perfect, but still, while keep on trying, nagiging successful talaga.
Katabi ko si Coach Louie, sabi ko, sampalin ko talaga to, hinihila ko talaga. Kasi pag ang distance talaga ng number, syempre kailangan kapain mo yung katabi mo na hindi pa nagsasalita. So, hindi talaga mangyayari yung isang goal pag hindi talaga nagtutulungan.
So pag sinabi kong jump in, ano sasabihin nyo? Jump in. Anong gagawin nyo? Your value as a person, that we are extremely valuable. Right? Who among you wants to be successful? Pakitaas ang kamay. Lahat tayo, right? Who among you wants to fail? If you want to be successful, you have to focus on this word instead, excellence. Because if you focus on excellence, success will follow. Avail! 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 Let's fight together for our future. Okay?
Avail talaga. Everything is possible.
Sometimes don't worry about pressure. Actually, pressure is good for us.
Yes.
It pushes you to do something that you think that you cannot.
Yes.
But if you push yourself pressure and then you look back, actually it's just a small thing.
Mabuwal at madapa man, sabay tayong aahon.
Si Lord, love talaga ako na nilagay ako dito sa Avail platform dahil sa matinding pangarap ko sa mga anak ko na dito niya ako nilagay.
Sulong laban, wag uurong.
Yung uhaw na uhaw talaga. Walang rason hindi tayo payaman dito lahat. Many are called, but few are chosen. Yes. Binigyan ng chance na makasama dito. Pero, they miss one half of their life.
Hindi ko na talaga kaya mag-start. Yun, sabi ko, nak, kahit igapang ko kayo sa hirap, huwag kayo guminto sa pag-aaral. Mapagpatapos na ako ng college. Dahil mo sa Avail, wala naman kaya ako nang-negotiate.
Yes!
Pakinggan sa iyong puso ang sigaw na dati bulong.